Welcome back. 28th of December. Finally, the year from hell coming to conclusion for some. Two stories, one from the Cryptonomist, one from CoinDesk. Going to talk about ALBT a little bit in this video. Episode 72 of Briar's Bits, presented to you by Briar.io. Full videos, Patreon group. It's always there. Telegram. You get the Telegram group if you sign up as well. That's somebody in the Telegram right now. Join us. Great group of people. Lots of stuff. Newsletter every Sunday. Let's do this. First, we glance at the market here. Bitcoin, $26,763, up 0.96% for the last 24 hours. Ethereum, $733.91, 7.76% in the green today. Ethereum could be looking at $800 pretty quickly. Not financial advice, but it's overdue for a little move here against Bitcoin. As is my beloved Link, up 6.03%. Link $12.90. I hope some of you stacked on that dip, because if you did, you're already up 20-30% now. So congratulations to those people that are long Link and the fourth industrial revolution. Which brings me to Alliance Block, which is currently making some serious maneuvers. ALBT, the token, at 35 cents right now, up 5.34% for the day, up 319% the last 90 days, and 299% the last 30 days. If you read the newsletter from 2 Sundays ago, you could have seen it in there for under a dime. So make sure you're in there reading the newsletter and the Patreon sign up. I'm going to probably close that $2 window here pretty soon and make it $10 a month flat for the entry, and then the 25 extended level. But yeah, you're getting a lot in there for $10 a month. So if you want in there for the $2 cutoff, get in there soon, because that window is coming to a close. I'm putting in a lot of effort in there in the newsletter every week. It's at least 10 to 15 pages every Sunday. So get in there, check it out. First story outside of ALBT, which I'll be covering more in depth. I'm going to do a full video on it, is from Eleonora Spagnoli of the Cryptonomist. Tesla stock like Bitcoin split versus halving. Anthony Pompliano put out a tweet the other day about this, yesterday, about this, Tesla, did their halving or did their stock split, and investors, get their shares split up, compared it to the halving. And Mike Novogratz said he didn't really understand it, but it makes perfect sense to me. It's just a replication, it's just the idea of being able to inflate whatever you're holding, basically. It's pretty simple. I don't really understand how anybody couldn't understand that. Maybe you just read the article for yourself, and it's pretty intuitive, if you ask me. It's the reason that people are flooding into cryptocurrency. I'm not really sure that he understands cryptocurrency as well as you would think for somebody who's been in it as long as he has. And second story is Marathon Patent agrees to buy 70K ASIC miners from Bitmain for $170 million. NASDAQ listed Marathon Patent Group, Mara, one of the largest enterprise Bitcoin mining companies in North America, announced its pre-order purchase of 70,000 Antminer S9 ASIC miners from Bitmain for $170 million, more than tripling the size of Marathon's fleet. This purchase is the largest order in dollar terms, as well as the largest single order for S19 ASIC miners that Bitmain has ever received, said Marathon Chairman CEO Marek Okamoto. This is from Kevin Reynolds of the CoinDesk. Marathon said it sees receiving an initial batch of 7,000 S19 miners in July 2021 and the final shipment in December 2021. Marathon said its mining fleet will include more than 103,000 machines after this latest order has been received and deployed, with a total mining capacity of 10.3 exahashes per second. Shares of Marathon opened Monday trading nearly 30% higher than Friday. From the Friday close, trading hands just below $14, but some big gains were given back as the share price dipped roughly 5% around 1530 UTC. The monster order comes after a holiday weekend in which the price of Bitcoin BTC plus 1.45% hit a succession of new all-time highs. If you were under a rock over the weekend, BTC, Bitcoin, made some impressive gains. And if you look at the last 12 months, or actually if you just look at the all-time chart now, of Bitcoin, up 270% for the year. It is a thing of beauty to look at. I mean, this is just textbook parabolic move we're in right now. I mean, this is where it will stop. Nobody knows, but my price target, not financial advice, has always been 65K for, not always, that's hyperbolic, but for the last 2 years or so, I did a video. It's on YouTube about 2 years ago. 65K. Pretty sure we'll see $1 million Bitcoin in the future. Not advice, like I said, but in this run, 65K. Pretty sure that target's going to get hit and exceeded, but we'll have to wait and see. That concludes tonight's episode. I'm going to put out that video about ALBT soon. Next group Zoom tomorrow night for patrons, 8 p.m. Eastern time. The link will be in the Patreon and in the Telegram group 15 minutes before the show. Thanks for watching.